Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we detail how to send emails in Java Spring Boot with SMTP. A popular Java web framework, Spring Boot provides multiple sending methods, including SMTP and API. But today, we're concentrating on sending emails with SMTP. For other sending methods, check out our videos on sending emails with API and Gmail SMTP. We also explore how to send HTML emails with or without templates and add attachments. Open your Spring Boot project and add the Spring Boot starter mail dependency by running the spring init command and choosing Spring Boot starter mail when prompted. Alternatively, go to the POM XML file and add the dependency manually. Add a new service by creating a new class. We'll name it Email Service. Declare that this class should be managed as a service bean with @service annotation. We'll need Java Mail Sender to send emails, so we'll declare it as private and inject an instance in the constructor. Create a send email method and pass the to, subject, and body parameters as strings. Build a new message with a simple mail message object. Set the from and to email addresses, the subject, and the message body. Add a mail sender instance to send the emails. An optional but recommended step is to make the send email method asynchronous. Now we need to add an SMTP configuration. We'll be using Mailtrap's email sending's SMTP server. To use it, you'll first need to create an account. So go to mailtrap.io and click on the Sign Up button. Choose the desired method of registration and fill out the required fields. Click on the Sign Up button. In the left navigation panel, choose Email Sending and then Sending Domains. Type in your sending domain and click Add Your Domain button. Then copy the generated DNS records one by one and add them to the DNS registrar of your domain. Click Verify All. Once your domain has been verified, you can start sending the emails. Go to the API and SMTP tab and click on SMTP. Copy the credentials such as SMTP host, port, username, and password. Return to your Spring Boot project and go to the Application Properties file located in the Resources file. Configure SMTP server settings such as host, port, username, and password using the credentials copied from email sending. Set the mail SMTP auth and mail SMTP start TLS enable parameters to true to connect to the server and enable TLS encryption. Then, in the Send Email Application folder, declare Email Service and inject it into a constructor. Call the send email method and set the to, subject, and body properties. Build the project and run the code. So let's check the inbox. And great, the email is there. In our previous example, we sent emails in a plain text format. But with Spring Boot, you can also send HTML emails with and without templates. So we'll go over both scenarios now. Let's start building a script that will send HTML emails without templates. Once again, we'll need Java Mail Sender, but instead of simple mail message, we'll use MIME message. In the email service file, write a new method. We'll call it send HTML email. Create a new instance of the MIME message class and set the message properties. Set the from address as the internet address and the recipient type as TO. Then prepare the HTML content. Use the set content method to set the body of the email to be the HTML content we just created, and specify MIME type and character encoding. Create the send method to send the email. Add the newly configured email service to the send email application file. Execute the code and check the inbox. And there you go, the email with HTML formatting has arrived. Now we can explore how to send HTML emails with templates. Create a new HTML file for the template. Add HTML formatted text and variables to send personalized emails. For example, you can add a name variable that will be substituted with the recipient's name later and the message placeholder. Create a method that will send an HTML email. Once again, we'll need a MIME message class. Set the sender's and recipient's email addresses the way we did in our previous example. Prepare the method to read the HTML template from the file and pass the file path to it. Don't forget to resolve the exceptions and add the necessary imports. Use the readString method to read the entire content of the file into a string. Let's return to the sendHTML email method. Add the HTML template variable and indicate the path to the file. Add the replacements to substitute the name variable with the recipient's name and the message placeholder with the actual message body. Set the content to HTML. And create the send method and pass the message to it. Build and run the code. Open the inbox. Perfect, the name and message variables were replaced successfully. Spring Boot also enables users to add attachments. This can be done using the Java Mail Sender, MIME message class, and MIME message helper. Create a method to send emails with attachments. Add MIME message and MIME message helper classes with the necessary imports. The MIME message helper will allow us to add an attachment. Set the sender and recipient, subject, and the body. Create a new instance of the file system resource class and associate the new file with the file path. Use the helper's add attachment method to attach the file. And send the message with the send method of the mail sender. In the send email applications file, we've already configured the email service with to, subject, and body properties. Run the code and check the inbox. The email with an attached image is right there.
Yes! I am invincible!
All done! You can now successfully send emails in Spring Boot using an SMTP server. Don't forget to test your emails before sending them to recipients, and we'll be diving into that topic in our upcoming video, so stay tuned. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability, and I'll see you in the next one.